Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to stop tracking on your DYON Movie Smart TV. In order to stop the activity tracking on your TV, first of all, we're gonna have to access settings. So from the home screen of your device, navigate to the sidebar and open the settings menu. Then in settings, we're gonna have to scroll down to system menu, and then in system, navigate down to first application settings and open a application settings. Switch on do not track option, and then scroll down to advanced settings. Here, scroll down to enhanced viewing settings, open enhanced viewing settings here, then make sure to disable content recommendation and personalized ads in here by switching these two options to the left. Then go to personalized ads and disable personalized ads in here by switching this toggle to the left. And then also reset your ads ID by selecting reset ads ID and click confirm. Then also switch off personalized recommendations by switching this toggle to the left. And this way you will stop your TV from tracking you. You can also return to the application settings and clear your cookies here, and also clear the cache by selecting two settings you see right here. After selecting one of these options, you will have to, your TV will automatically restart, and you're gonna have to return here and select the other one to proceed. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. If you leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.